Subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet and press the bell icon for further notification on my videos. Thank you. Today's recipe is everyone's favorite one and it is street style Hakka noodle. Let's see how I make it. Note down the ingredients. Here I have taken boiled Hakka noodles, thinly sliced carrot, cabbage, capsicum, spring onion, oil, spicy vinegar, soya sauce, red chili sauce, salt and pepper powder. Heat the kadai on high flame and add oil to it. When oil heats up, we will add thinly sliced onion, capsicum, carrot and cabbage and saute it on high flame for about 5 minutes. We want the vegetables to be crunchy and not boiled, so let's give a saute for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we will add salt to taste and mix well. Let it cook for about 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, we will add our boiled noodles. I had boiled the noodles with salt and oil so that it doesn't stick to each other. Next, we will add soya sauce and red chili sauce and mix everything. The cooking should be on high flame itself. We need to do the procedure very soon. When our noodle is mixed well, we will add pepper powder. Then about half a teaspoon of vinegar to it. And final touch, we will add some green spring onions. We need to add this just before switching off the flame. Give it a toss for about a minute and then switch off the flame. Our street style Hakka noodle is ready. See how easily we made street style Hakka noodles at home. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel.